Welcome back everybody. I'm Ashir Steve, your trainer for this entire class. Today we'll be discussing about the Miracast in Windows 10. So let's get started. Difference depends on the different brands. You have a different name of this Miracast. Let's say for example LG, they call it a smart share. In Samsung we call all sharecast. In Sony it is called screen mirroring. In Panasonic it is called display mirroring. In Nokia it is called cast. In Oppo and MI it is known as wireless display. So check it out which brand of cell phone that you're using. I'm using Nokia for this demonstration. So let's get started for the configuration. So you go to the Windows 10 and you go to the start menu and there is a settings. From the settings you go to the system settings. System settings, you will see that on the left side you will see the project to this PC. Once you see this project to this PC, below that there will be three options here. So in this first option you will click down this and choose available everywhere, and then the next option we have is ask the project of this PC. Click down and choose the option called first time only. And if you are using for ping and all this one for security purposes, you can use this option as well, first time always. But for now I'm keeping as a default settings. After this you can close down and you go to this search box, and then here you click connect, and you see this one, click connect, and after which your wireless connection should be there. So as of now I'm using this DBI Wi-Fi and it is connected, and your phone should also be connected to the same network. So I have also checked phone is on right now it's connected to the already there. So now Control S, so this will show me that available. Right now there is no any connection, so I'll have to go to my cell phone and go to my Bluetooth device, then go to the connection preferences and choose the cast. So you just choose the cast and wait for a while, and then your PC, your laptop, your smart TV should display here. So connect. Yeah, so now it's connecting. So now dear friends, you can see that my screen is being connected to this our screen here. As you can see, my one is connected to HP 2020. It is connected, the status connected. So now you can see mine is under the Bluetooth, the connection. I will show you this one here once again. So now I can see all things here, but first thing you can go is you go to the Bluetooth here connection. Under the connection preferences, click that, and there is a cast. So now I'm connected to my PC HP 2020. So that is my PC name. I hope this video has been informative to you, and I'd like to thank you.